In Onshape, you can create new folders and documents. Here I am on my home page. I'm going to start out by collapsing some of these areas, like the Getting Started with Onshape and Last Opened, just so I can see my folders and the documents that aren't in folders. To create a new folder, I'll go to the Create button. Here is Folder. I'm going to start making some documents for some free CAD drawings I found online, so I will call it Free CAD Drawings. This is good, so I will click on the Create button. And so now I have my Free CAD Drawings folder. There's nothing in it. Let's go to the Create button once more, and I will create a new document. And this one is going to be for my plane bearing from an old document I found from the early 1900s. So I'm happy with that document name. Here we have the location. I'm happy with this. I will create the document, and it opens me up in the Part Studio, and I can start creating geometry.